Hello friends, welcome to Learn Technocrats. Today I have brought some MCQ of computer that is important for your entrance exam as well as interview point of view. So let's start the video one by one questions. First question is C in CPU denotes first central, second common, third convenient, fourth none of these. Correct answer is central. Second question is which of the following uses a handheld operating system? First supercomputer, second personal computer, third PDA, fourth laptop. Correct answer is PDA. Here PDA means personal digital assistant. Third question is to display the contents of a folder in Windows Explorer, you should first click on it, second collapse it, third give it a password, fourth none of these. Correct answer is click on it. Fourth question is the CPU comprises of control, memory and units. First microprocessor, second arithmetic and logic, third output, fourth ROM. Correct answer is arithmetic and logic. Fifth question is which is the most important and powerful computer in a typical network? First, desktop, second, network client, third, network server, fourth, none of these. Correct answer is network server. Sixth question is which appearing on a web page opens another documents when clicked. First, Anchor, second, URL, third, hyperlink, fourth, reference. Correct answer is hyperlink. Seventh question is which of the following refers to the rectangular area for displaying information and running programs? First, desktop, second, dialog box, third, window, fourth, none of these. Correct answer is window. Eighth question is which is a window utility program that locates and eliminates unnecessary fragments and rearranges filled and unused disk space to optimize operation. First, backup, second, disk cleanup, third, disk defragmenter, fourth, none of these. Correct answer is disk defragmenter. Ninth question is which of the following refers to too much electricity and may cause a voltage surge? First, spike, second, shock, third, virus, fourth, none of these. Correct answer is spike. 10th question is the software that is used to create text-based documents are referred to as first DBMS, second suites, third spreadsheet, fourth word processor. Correct answer is word processor. 11th question is which devices converts human understandable data and program into a form that the computer can process? First, printing, second, output, third, solid, fourth, input. Correct answer is input. 12th question is allow user to upload files to an online site so they can be viewed and edited from another location. First, general purpose application. Second, Microsoft Outlook. Third, web hosted technology. Fourth, Office Live. Correct answer is Microsoft Outlook. 13th question is what features adjust the top and bottom margins so that the text is centered vertically on the printed page? First, vertically justifying. Second, vertically adjusting. Third, dual centering. Fourth, none of these. Correct answer is vertical justifying. 14th question is which of these is not a means of personal communication on the internet? First, chat. Second, instant messaging. Third, InstaNote. Fourth, none of these. Correct answer is InstaNote. 15th question is what is the overall term for creating, editing, formatting, storing, retrieving, and printing a text document? First, word processing. Second, spreadsheet design. Third, database management. Fourth, none of these. Correct answer is word processing. 16th question is fourth generation mobile technology provides enhanced capabilities allowing the transfer of both data including full motion video, high speed internet access and video conferencing. First, video data and information. Second, voice and non-voice. Third, music and video. Fourth, none of these. Correct answer is voice and non-voice. 17th question is which is a form of denial of service attack in which a hostile client rapidly send SYN packets to every ports on the server using fake IP addresses? First, cyber gaming crime. Second, memory saving. Third, SYN flooding. Fourth, none of these. Correct answer is cyber gaming crime. 18th question is which of these is a point and draw device? First, mouse. Second, scanner. Third, CD-ROM. Fourth, none of these. Correct answer is mouse. 19th question is a set of rules for telling the computer what operations to perform is called a first structure, second natural language, third programming language, fourth none of these. Correct answer is programming language. 20th question is a detailed writing description of the programming cycle and the program along with the test result and a printout of the program is called first documentation, second output, third reporting, fourth none of these. Correct answer is documentation. 21st question is form that are used to organize business data into row and columns are called first register, second business form, third spreadsheets, fourth none of these. Correct answer is spreadsheets. 22nd question is in PowerPoint the header and footer button can be found on the insert tab in what group? First illustration group, second object group, third text group, fourth tables group. Correct answer is text group. 23rd question is which set of program designed to manage the resources of a computer including starting the computer, managing program, managing memory and coordinating tasks between input and output devices. First application suite, second compiler, third operating system, fourth none of these. Correct answer is operating system. 24th question is a typical slide in a slide presentation would not include first graphs and clip art, second clip art and audio clip, third full motion video, fourth none of these. Correct answer is clip art and audio clips. 25th question is the PC productivity tools that manipulates data organized in row and columns is called first spreadsheet, second word processing documents, third database record manager, fourth none of these. Correct answer is spreadsheets. So friends, this was just a first video that just get you a little warm up and start up to understand these MCQs. In the subsequent video, we are trying to get more MCQ. So friend, lastly, I want to say that for a new update from Learn Technocrats, you must like, share and subscribe my channel. Until have a good day and goodbye.